Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to switch Instagram to creator account. As you can see here that we are already inside our Instagram profile, and after this what we have to do, we have to click on the icon which is on the top right side with the three lines, and here you will need to scroll down. Alright, so now in here you can see the option for professionals. So in here you have to click on account type and tools. And now you can see the option of switch to professional account in the account type. So we have to click on it. Alright, so now what you need to do, you have to click on the next button here. And in here, you can simply select the category that suits you best. Okay. So we can go here with the digital creator. You can choose whatever you want. And if you want to display your category on your profile, you can simply enable this from here. But I don't want to enable this. I'm going to simply disable this again. And after this, I will simply click on switch to professional account. Alright, so now only in the last you can see the option of the creator. Okay, before that you will only see the option for professional. Okay, so since we want to convert our Instagram account to the creators account, so that is why we're gonna simply select the creator. We will simply click on the next button here, and now what you have to do, you just have to click on OK to switch to a creators account. So we're gonna simply click on OK here. Okay, so now we can disable the promotional emails here. Click on next, and here you need to add your details to complete your creators account. So I'm gonna fill up the detail really quickly. Alright, so after filling up the necessary detail, now you can see that I'm back into my Instagram profile, and you can see the option of the professional dashboard, which simply means that you have successfully switched your Instagram account into the creators account. So this is how we can switch our Instagram account to the creators account. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.